All right, and so today we're going to be talking about division with remainders. And it's pretty much just building off of the division work we did last time, but adding kind of another little step, which is the remainder. And like I said, all the remainder is when a number will not divide evenly into the number inside of the bracket. So for an example right here, we got 6 divided by 5. And so we would just work it out, just like we did last time. How many times will 5 go into 6? Well, I know 5 times 1 is going to be 5, and 5 times 2 is going to be 10. That's going to be too big, so it's going to go one time. And so 6 minus 5 is going to be 1. And normally we would bring that 0 down, but we have no 0. So this is it. So 6 minus 5 is 1. And so now we say, will 5 go into 1? Well, that's too big. That's not going to work. So we're done. We got our 5 times 1 is 6. Minus 5 is 1. Now we can't do anything with this 1, so we just have to stick it on the end as a remainder 1. And you just write it out as R1. On the quiz, I have it set where it doesn't matter if you do a capital R with a space or a lowercase r, any way is right. But yeah, the answer, it would be 1, let's see, 1 remainder of 1. Because 5 goes into 6 one time with that 1 left over, so remainder of 1. Now you're not always going to have a remainder. So like this one, 3 will not go into 2, it's too big, but it will go into 21. It would be 7 times. So 3 times 7 is 21. 21 minus 21 is 0. So if it's something like this, you would not put R0. You would, if it's 0, you don't have to put a remainder. It just divides evenly. 21 divides by 3 7 times. And so another work example right here, we got 4. Will it go into 4? Well, it'll go in one time. 4 minus 4 is 0. Bring your 6 down. How many times will 4 go into 6? Well, it'll go once also. 6 minus 4 is going to be 2. Will 4 go into 2? No, it's too big, so we're going to have to stick it on the end right there with the remainder of 2. And so 46 divided by 4 is going to be 11, remainder of 2. And like I said, because we know our multiplication, we can double check. And we know anything times 11, it's just that number doubled up. So 4 times 11 is 44, plus that 2 is 46. So like I said, it's easy to double check your work on this division if you got your multiplication straight. And so we got examples 2 and 3. So we got 95, we're going to divide it by 4. 4 will go into 9 twice. That'll give us 8. 9 minus 8 is going to be 1. We're going to bring our 15 down. And we have 4 will go into 15 3 times. 4, 8, 12. So 15 minus 12 is going to be 3. 4 will not go into 3. So we stick it on the end as a remainder. So 95 divided by 4 is 23 with a remainder of 3. And we got the same thing right here. 2 will not go into 1, but it will go into 19. That would be 9 times. 2 times 9 is 18. 9 minus 8 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 2 will not go into 1. So we stick it on the end as a remainder. And so 19 divided by 2 is 9 with a remainder of 1.